Hello all, this is Madhvi Advaryu, a clinical and counseling psychologist and a psychotherapist. As we know that the world is in tremendous stress right now. We are in a lockdown situation due to COVID-19 coronavirus effect, and we know that this is affecting almost whole world right now. We are suffering economically, physically, financially, mentally, psychologically, and this is really tough and stressful for us. But okay, we know that we keep hearing about washing hands, keeping social distance, being locked and at our home and not going outside and stuff. But how much do we know about mental health in this situation? We know we are frustrated. Just being at home, not going outside, not meeting people, not able to go to walks, not able to do the routine as we used to do before makes us frustrated, makes us anxious or depressed, right? We do have quarrels and fights at our home with our loved ones, with our family members. That is common and we ignore that. We ignore that we think that this is family and this keep happening. But as you even hear or read that there are way more divorce cases, anxiety or depression cases in the world जो पहले इतने ज़्यादा नहीं थे, right? We do keep up with the news that how many people are suffering in our city, in our country, and in the world, and which country has what numbers of people who died or who survived, right, or who got discharged from hospitals. But how little do we know about our own mental health here? WHO, World Health Organization, has already mentioned that 30% of world population is facing mental health issues right now. 30% is a huge number, and that currently says that if you feel that you're anxious, you're depressed, it is affecting your mental health, please come up, please ask to any expert, therapist, counselor, psychologist, psychotherapist, psychiatrist, whenever you need the help. I am here to help you. If you think that you have anything regarding anxiousness, anxiety, I am here to help you with anything you think that you are suffering from, and that is psychological. If you think that you're being anxious, if you think that you're a frontline worker, and if you think that you need to still meeting people and you're worried about getting the virus, getting the infection, or you're worried about your family members, and what if they catch the virus, or if you are into a household, a traumatic bond, a traumatic relationship, an abusive relationship where you're locked up with that person in your home in this lockdown situation, anything regarding that, if you think that you need any help, please talk to someone. Don't think that this is normal, this is okay, crying is okay, being desperate, being overwhelmed and being anxious is okay. That is not okay. Always think, if you think anything related physical symptom, we just rush to doctors. But when it comes to mental health, we don't even think that this is important. This is a mental health stigma in our society, which was always there, and this is still continuing. We are in a better world now. We are educated people. If we won't come up with the solutions, and we'll just keep thinking that no, I cannot get affected by anxiety or depression or anything like that, that is not helping us. This is not a positive attitude we are showing towards our mental health. If you think that you need any assistance, any health related questions, you even need my assistance or my help in diagnosing yourself, I am there. You can DM me on my Instagram page, you can text me on my Instagram page, or you can reach out to me with that, or you can email me. My email ID is Madhvi Advaryu, madhvadvaryu18@gmail.com. Reach out to me at any moment you think that you need my help. Okay, I keep my Instagram open. I can talk to you on WhatsApp as well. Just do know that I am here. Mental health is equally important, guys, like physical health only. If you are facing any issues in this lockdown or due to this coronavirus, please, I'm requesting you to talk to anybody who you think that you are comfortable with. But if you think that you are not comfortable with anyone, so I'm always there. If you know any other professional, any other psychologist or anything like that, please go to them, please visit them, or please talk to them, contact them and talk to them. And if you're not able to do that, if you don't know anyone like this, I'm always there to help you with this situation. Let's end this stigma together. Online counseling is equally effective like physical counseling, face-to-face counseling, right? Online therapy is equally important and equally effective in such situations. So I'm always there, and you can easily talk to me about your issue. If you want to book sessions with me online, I have a Skype account as well. We can have chat sessions, chat counseling. We can have a voice call counseling session as well, or we can have a video call counseling session as well. If you need any assistance regarding my bookings, regarding the fee structure or anything, when you're gonna talk to me, I'm just not gonna tell you to just pay me, way before that I've started even talking to you. So don't think like that. You just talk to me, DM me if any issues are there in mental health related, and if you think that you need any sort of help. Thank you so much, and please stay home, stay safe.